Namaste, test programmer. Today we will see the swiping of two number. Here is our two variable like a and b. Let's see. Let's uncomment this. So I'm uncommenting. So we have to swipe this. So actually, I also keep it up as a questions. So here is our uh, and now two variable a value and b value we have to swipe. We can do in a two way, using temporary variable without using any temporary variable. So let's see using temporary variable. After that we'll see the next one, not using any variable. So let's see, let's take a variable T. Okay, so I took the variable. I can also take here, so but I will not take, like sometimes like it's maybe confused. So that's why I will assign the a value to the temporary. So a equal t. Okay, means here, here actually a equal t means t equal. Okay, here actually uh, t equal uh, 2. Okay, so t equal 2 and a equal blank, like nothing. Okay, so null, and b equal 5. Okay, so that's it. So after that I will assign. Okay, we can also do multiple ways. We can do directly. So here actually I assigned the a to b. So a is actually null. So I can do a equal, okay, b. A equal b means here what happened, like if I talk here actually happened t equal to a equal actually 5. Okay, and here b equal null. So yeah, if you want to console, you can check through the console b. Okay, so let's see. Oh, sorry, what happened? No. Actually here actually happened a equal t means mm, sorry, it's opposite, like t equal, but everything is same. T equal a and a equal b. Okay, a equal b. So not equal a assigned b. So but no, not showing.